Romeo approaches Juliet, and Shakespeare signals just how much these two are made for each other by magically weaving their dialogue into a sonnet. If I profane with my unworthiest hand this holy shrine, the gentle fine is this: my lips, two blushing pilgrims ready stand to smooth the rough touch with a tender kiss. Oh, pilgrim, you do wrong your hand too much, which mannerly devotion shows in this, for saints have hands that pilgrims' hands may touch, and palm to palm is holy palmer's kiss. Have not saints lips, and holy palmers too? Ay, pilgrim, lips that they must use in prayer. Oh, then, dear saint, let lips do what hands do. They pray, grant thou, lest faith turn to despair. Saints do not move, though grant for prayer's sake. Then move not, while my prayer's effect I take. And he kisses her. He then uses the supposition that her lips have purged him of his sin to take that sin back upon himself again, kissing her a second time. Of course, Juliet is called off by her mother, and Romeo inquires to learn that Juliet is a Capulet. Benvolio drags Romeo off, even as Juliet learns that Romeo is a Montague. My only love sprung from my only hate, too early seen unknown, and known too late.